Uh-oh, VS Code just crashed on me.
Why are you the way that you are?
I'm back, everybody! We're gonna do whatever we can. It's been another long week.
As of now, I'm doing...
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
As of now, I will be retiring until I have more D1 prospects coming to my school. Thank you.
Joe?
Get it, Joe. Get it. Get it. What you got?
Alright, that's how we're feeling this week. We're not Game Devin. That's how Joe feels.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
To burn this place down when I had a chance.
Max weight equals... I don't think I've determined really what anything weighs. And so I'm kind of just winging everything, which is kind of the problem, but I guess maybe I need to just create the infrastructure and then go back and refine. Maybe, I'm not 100% sure, but let's just say it's 100 times, let's just say 100 for right now, and then maybe I can come back. Alright, let's, I don't have some type of rough inventory that uses a list and max weight. So we shall see if this works. So let's do it. Let's see if this works. Let's do it. Let's see it. It's pretty raw dog, but I think the foundation maybe is the most important thing. Maybe, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. And oh, I didn't add the player inventory to the player. Whoops! Whoopsie doopsie! That's my bad. Ooh! Added item, stone drop, current weight 25.
You like that? You like that?
Okay. How many did I pick up? I don't know. This should go up, to 35? Yep, okay. This one should go up another 35, put me at 70, and the max weight was 100. Just okay, so I should be able to pick this up, but I shouldn't be able to. Why do I feel slower? It might be all mental. I don't know. I feel slower, even though there's no. Okay, I can't pick this up. Okay, but actually I do want to do something. I think I could easily implement player movement with weight. I think this will just be a linear relationship, right? So you'll see, even when you pick up a little bit of stuff, you're going to start to see this. You're going to start to see a weight penalty, even though you probably wouldn't really see a weight penalty. So yep, there's a 0 penalty right now, which is what I expected. That's what I crafted up. I must have been log 10. It's at 2.4. I've miscalculated something. Yeah, so now there's a lot less of a penalty for picking up 3. And now our weight is like 50 or something. Bro, I have no idea where the numbers are coming from. But this is cool, actually. This little speed. What? Where are the numbers coming from? Player... Yeah, I don't know where that's coming from. The math speed is 5. Let me just double check that. No! Private float speed is 5. Unless I changed it somewhere over here. Yep, there you go. It's not 5, it's actually 2. Bless up, dude. I thought I couldn't do basic exponentials and multiplication, dude. I was scared, honestly. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Okay, so we have a basic inventory, really basic inventory, but the weight of your inventory impacts the speed at which you can move, which is really cool. I'm happy with that. That's gonna be it for this week, guys. Got the kind of a fundamental inventory system set up, really basic. but enough to move forward and keep making progress on stuff. So that's good. Had another long week, but I'm proud. I mean, the progress that I did make tonight was, I think, solid enough, and it's starting to come along a little bit. Like, you know, soon enough, there might be a game here, you know, that you might consider playing once in a blue moon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend, and maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Oh, you got me in my mouth. You got me in my mouth, doggy. You got me in the mouth.